plus n. And what is the question? Same, n upon root 2 into 1 plus n. So the statement is true. Next, the common difference of the AP given by an equals to 3n plus 2 is 3. Means what? An means any term is given by 3n plus 2, and the common difference is 3. This is what we have to prove. Quite simple. An equals to 3n plus 2, right? So an plus 1 will be equal to 3 into n plus 1 plus 2, right? So if you solve this 3 into n plus 1, it becomes 3n plus 2 plus 1, right? So it becomes what? 3n plus 3, right? See, there is a simpler way. Don't go for an plus 1 and blah blah blah. An is given by 3n plus 2, right? So any n will satisfy this condition. So a1 equals to what? 3 into 1 plus 2, that is 5. a2 equals to 3 into 2 plus 2 equals to 8, right? Now what is CD? Common difference we want. What is CD? CD is the difference between the two consecutive terms, that is a2 minus a1, that is 8 minus 5, that is 3. And what is the given? 3. So this is true. Next, the sum of AP is minus 5, minus 8, minus 11, blah blah blah, minus 230 is minus 8930. It should be, here the question should be like this. The sum of the AP minus 5, minus 8, minus 11, blah blah blah, minus 230 is minus 8930. Means these are the terms and the total is minus 8930. So let's check. A equals to minus 5, first term. Common difference is what? Second minus first. So minus 8 minus minus 5 minus 3, right? Similarly you can check for other also. It comes same, minus 3. So Sn equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.